right, guys, welcome back. A huge part of keeping your skin glowing and healthy is making sure that it's good and moisturized, okay? Dr. Kimberly Martin, owner of Whipped and Buttered Luxury Essentials, is here to show us all that she has to keep us glowing, healthy, and moisturized, especially in this summer heat, guys. Come on, you know we're burning up inside here, Doc, right?
Yes.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am fantastic. So good to have you.
Thank you.
Okay, obstetrician, gynecologist, and an owner of Whipped and Buttered Luxury Essentials. Okay, I'm trying to make the connections here, okay? What happened? What got you to Whipped and Buttered, right?
So the story started when, you know, with us aging skin, but a little bit more sensitive as we get older. And I realized over the last few years, now I'm a bath and body girl, you know? So I go and the usual popular brands, I tend to go and stock up whenever I travel. And I realized over the last couple of years, I just couldn't use them because my skin would react, my eczema started flaring. Then I had a son, and he came with the same eczema, and I was like, no, maybe I should. And that's when I tried to start formulating my own, and then this happened.
Yeah, because now you know what's inside them, right? Because oftentimes we buy these brands, and I mean, they smell good, but the truth is, we don't know all the ingredients, and some of them we can't even pronounce.
Exactly.
You are the doctor, you should know, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you want to look good, smell good, and still have a spa-like feel at home, and not have to worry about your skin reacting, you know. I said, you know, this is what I need to do for myself.
So you've crossed over into the territory then of dermatologist, maybe? Well, because you have some ologists here and some shrons,
not quite derm fully, but I mean, cosmetics, I would say.
So basically you're looking at the skin, you're looking at the products then that would be good for the skin, right? Depending on whatever it is that you're experiencing. But in terms of Whipped and Buttered, it caters largely to...
It caters largely to persons who have sensitive skin, so eczema. Okay. So we have clean ingredients in them. It's a combination of like butters like shea and mango butters.
Nice.
And oils like jojoba, almond, coconut oil. And you have this great moisturizing effect that just sinks right into your skin without you looking like you're actually going to be fried.
Thank you, Doc.
And then you actually smell good and I mean, the feedback has been amazing, and I really have been. It's effective and it works, and I'm happy about that because really, it's just born out of just sheer, you know, what is it now?
Inspiration, passion, you know, your own personal desires and needs, right?
Exactly.
And what I loved about it is that you brought them into the space, and sometimes we're thinking, oh, natural stuff don't necessarily smell good, and I'm gonna smell like bush. So this doesn't smell like that at all.
You smell like candy.
Hey. All right. So Doc, walk me through now. You have some scrubs, you have some oils, you have some butters.
So it's a full spa effect. So we have souffle, which is just your body cream, body butter. You have your body oils or your glazes. You have your body spritz, you have your shower gels and your scrubs. So you have your whole spa in there with you.
Nice.
And in terms of fragrances, we have fragrances for our dessert type girls who love to smell sweet. So the vanilla frost is somebody who doesn't like to really have that, you know, excessive smell, but you just want to smell that subtle sweet kind of undertone. Vanilla is for you. Caramel. That's my bestseller, by the way.
Oh,
the caramel,
for sure.
The warm caramel cookie. Yes, you actually smell like you're coming out of the oven. Then you have this pistachio macaron, which is a close second. And then you have those floral girls now who love like the rose. So you have the rose looks. And for the earthy girls, the sage, lemongrass type of girls, we have that one that comes with their lavender lemongrass scrub. So you smell like a spa.
Exactly. So you don't necessarily smell wild. You just, you still smell good.
Right.
Exactly. Okay, awesome. All right. So what I want to ask you though is about these spritz, right? Because you mentioned the brands as well. Those fragrances will last you a couple of hours, right? How long would your spritz last for?
It stays. It stays at least 8 to 12 hours. So throughout your work day, I mean, there are persons who come back and say, look, your scent lingers for hours. Like, what do you have in this thing? So I have no issues with lasting fragrances.
Love that. Okay, you have something for for the girlies. You didn't mention the men though, Doc.
No, and I do have stuff for the men.
Yes, you never left them out. Okay.
No, so we know the men have beards, and for those who don't have beards, they still love to feel moisturized. So we do have.
Now looking inside. I'm here looking inside the studio here for my. Okay, 1, 2, 3 beards, 4 beards. Okay.
We do have like a beard and body glaze that has like argan oil. It's a great mixture that helps with moisturizing and just softening up the beard and your skin.
I need a beard volunteer. Can I have? Lonnie, is that okay? Can I have a beard? Can I have somebody please come here, gentlemen?
We have the spritz.
This is Chris. I want to try one on him, Doc. I just want to see how it works. Let us see, because it's looking a little bit parched at the moment. So I just want to gloss it up a little bit. A little bit, my friend.
And I've been getting great reviews on it.
Turn to the camera, Christina. You know how this works already, man. This is the before, guys. Close up on the before, please. Close up on the before. As you guys can see, a little whiteness is there. It's a little dry. No, I don't want to get you or I in any trouble. So let's just, you do it. You apply it on your own beard. There you go. All right, now rub it through there. There you go. Rub it. Man, rub it in so man. Rub it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, rub it in. All right, cool. This is the afternoon, guys. This is after. Whew. You actually smell very good for you. You like it? 2 thumbs up?
You love it?
2 thumbs up, yeah. All the 2 up too? Yeah. There we go. There we go. Now listen, Doc, we're going to walk around and give all these guys a sample, of course. But I'm happy you didn't. Thank you so much to my model who came in the nick of time. Thank you. Doc, this is really, really good. The smell is good and it's not too much.
Yes.
That's what I like about it.
Thank you.
And I mean, even though it has that oil base, it's not too oily. Yeah, it's not too greasy at all. All right, awesome.
So we do gifting as well.
Okay.
So we've been doing like corporate gifting for Christmas, for like Mother's Day, for Teacher's Day. So if you have persons who, and by the way, we have travel kits. So if you want to like just grab to put something in your carry-on.
Love it, yes.
We have travel size that is compatible with TSA. So we could just
they won't ask you to, take this off.
Yeah. If you have a girlfriend, you want to give something cute for her birthday. So you can contact us for all of those needs.
Okay, contact us where?
So we're on Instagram at whipped. WHIPD .buttered, as well as that's our TikTok handle as well. And our WhatsApp number is 515-0350.
Awesome. Okay, quickly, my turn. My hand's a little parched.
All right, Debbie,
what would you say?
Are you a sweetie girl or a florally girl? What do you like?
Give me a little floral today.
Floral today,
yeah.
Rose.
Okay.
Let's do the rose.
Okay, right here.
Right. So I'm going to have you try the...
Lon, do you want to lend me your elbow? No, you good? I'm sorry, I just asked you.
Try the souffle.
Okay, here we go. This is the souffle. Ooh, I love the texture.
Thank you.
This is nice. Okay.
And it goes right in. A little goes a long way.
Ooh, it smells so good. And you said this lasts how many hours?
It lasts for hours.
For the whole day?
Like, I'm a doctor. I wash my hands multiple times a day. And when I have this in my pocket and I use it, even my nurse friends, they're like, Doc, is what you're having.
Doc, you find it, man. You find it. Let me tell you, whatever formula this is really, really good.
A little glaze.
No, man.
And when you do that and go to your bed at night, girl.
Okay, say no more, Doc. This is the gynecologist in you now talking, all right? That is it. Thank you so much, Dr. Kimberly. That was Kimberly Martin, Dr. Kimberly Martin, owner of Whipped and Buttered Luxury Essential. We've got more Weekend Smile right after the break. Stay with us. You hear Doc already? Come set me on.
Right around dipped. I can see why all these basic